guys, welcome to the banana video. I like calling it the banana video because it's all about bananas. I like naming bananas bananas. Well guys, before I cut these bananas, watch this video about them.
Bananas are actually berries. Although we only get to try one variety of banana, it is estimated that there are more than 1,000 types of bananas in the world. A cluster of bananas is called a hand, while a single banana is called a finger. Bananas are naturally slightly radioactive. Bananas contain a natural chemical called serotonin, which makes people happy. You can use banana peels to shine your shoes. Cool, right?
Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed the banana facts. Now let's cut one of these bananas. Guys, the way I like to peel my banana is like this. Pushing it open. Isn't that a yummy banana? And also, there's a recipe coming up. Well guys, I love bananas. And also this one tastes sweet and creamy. And a little bit of witchy. Guys, do you want to learn a new recipe about bananas? Then you should watch the video. See you when I come back.
Hey friends! Welcome to my kitchen! Today we're making a super easy and yummy snack, banana roll-ups. You can make this all by yourself. Ready? Let's go! First, let's check this kitchen safety video before we start.
Here's a simple set of safety rules for you kids to use in the kitchen. Always ask an adult for help before using the stove, oven, or sharp tools. Wash your hands before handling any food. Use oven mitts or a towel to handle hot pots and pans. Keep sharp objects, like knives, pointed away from yourself and others. Turn pot handles inward so they don't get knocked over. Don't touch raw meat or eggs without washing your hands right after. Wipe up spills right away to avoid slipping. Stay focused. No running or playing around when cooking. Keep the kitchen clean. Always clean up after cooking. Ask an adult to turn on/off the stove or oven. Never do it by yourself. These rules are easy to follow and keep the kitchen safe for little chefs.
Here's what we need. 1 soft tortilla, 1 ripe banana, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter or any spread you like, a little honey and cinnamon for extra yum. Lay your tortilla flat on a plate and spread the peanut butter all over. Make sure to cover the edges. Now, take your banana and place it at the edge of the tortilla, just like this. Time for some extra flavor. Drizzle a tiny bit of honey and sprinkle a little cinnamon on top. Smells so good. Now, carefully roll the tortilla around the banana, nice and tight, like a burrito. Use a kid-safe knife to cut it into little bite-sized pieces, and ta-da! Your banana roll-ups are ready to eat. So good and so easy. Try making these for breakfast, snack time, or even dessert. Did you know bananas are called nature's energy bar because they give you lots of energy? Pretty cool, right? That's it for today. Don't forget to share your banana roll-ups with family and friends. See you next time in the kitchen.
Okay guys, Let's put the chocolate syrup, my favorite. Okay. Whoa. You can put some extra chocolate sauce or a little bit more sprinkles if you want a good treat. This is my favorite. Here it is. Look chocolatey, doesn't it? You guys know how good this is. Are you ready to see the banana song? Then let's watch the video.
I'm a little banana, yellow and sweet. Peel me open, I'm ready to eat. I wiggle, I jiggle, I slip and I slide, but don't step on me. Whoops, I'll make you glide. Ba ba ba, banana dance. Shake your peel and do a fun dance. Jump up high, spin around. Let's go bananas all over town. Monkey sees me and starts to cheer. He eats a bunch every day of the year. Blend me up, make a smoothie so nice. Or mash me up for banana rice. Ba ba ba, banana fun. Shake your peel and do a fun dance. Goofy loopy, let's go crazy. Bananas make the world so wavy. Squish me, mash me, bake me in bread, or wear me as a hat right on your head. I'm full of potassium, good for your tummy, and if you eat me, I'll keep you so sunny. Ba ba ba, banana dance. Shake your peel and do a fun dance. Jump up high, spin around. Let's go bananas all over town. Ba ba ba, banana dance. Shake your peel and do a fun dance. Jump up high, spin around. Let's go bananas all over town. B-A-N-N-A-N-A, banana fun every day. B-A-N-N-A-N-A, go bananas, hip hip hooray.
Okay guys, thank you for watching my banana video. It was nice seeing y'all. Bye, banana. Go, go, go.
I'm a little banana, yellow and sweet. Peel me open, I'm ready to eat. I wiggle, I jiggle, I slip and I slide, but don't step on me. Whoops, I'll make you glide.